guys, so this is a quick video on how to claim your TAIKO airdrop allocation. For those of you that participated in the airdrop campaign and you got the token, you have 29 days to go as the time of making this video as well. So please make sure to claim it as quick as possible. So before you can claim your TAIKO allocation, what you need to do is to get the contract address and make sure to add it under the TAIKO network. So for those that don't know how to get the contract address, I'm going to drop it at the description of this video. Make sure to copy it, or better still, you can send me a DM on Telegram for me to give you the contract address. And again, to make it simple, I'm going to drop it in my Telegram group so that you can copy the address and paste it. So after you have added the TAIKO network, all right, so first of all, you visit this site, which I'm going to drop at the description of this video. Click here and you click on connect. So you're going to see an option for connect. Make sure to click on connect. So make sure to connect it. After that, what you need to do now is to, all right, so I'm using an extension. Those of you using PC, you know how to navigate it. You guys know how to do it. So far you got the airdrop allocation, you know how to do it already. So I'm using a browser extension. There is Yandex browser. So after that, you copy the contract address like I said, and you visit your EVM wallet that you're using to participate in this campaign. That is the EVM wallet that you want to use and claim. Make sure to visit it. Copy the contract address, don't forget. Under the network, TAIKO mainnet, now you click on import token. What you just need to do is to just paste the address. Alright, so it's going to pop up like this. You're going to see TAIKO 18, blah blah blah, then you click next. Now you click import. Alright guys, looking on the screen, you have successfully imported TAIKO. So I'm going to refresh this. I'm going to refresh this again. Visit here, click here. So before you can claim your TAIKO airdrop allocation, you need to have TAIKO ETH in your EVM wallet you're using to perform this transaction. So I made a video on how you can bridge layer 2 ETH, how you can bridge ETH on the layer 2 network. So in that video, I use ZK Sync to TAIKO ETH for those of you that want to claim. So I'm going to paste the link at the description of this video for those of you that are interested on how you can go about it. So now, since I've already gotten some TAIKO ETH, I'm just going to go to my MetaMask. All right, so I already have some TAIKO ETH for this transaction. All right, yeah, I already have some TAIKO ETH for this transaction. So now, what I'm going to do now is to click on claim. So make sure to click on claim. Wait for it to process. You can see congratulations, you are eligible. Click on review TAIKO. So this is the amount I got. By confirming your claim, you agree, blah 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 blah. So you click here. Now you click on claim TAIKO. Now you wait for it to claim. Then your MetaMask wallet is going to open for you to confirm the transaction. So this is what they are going to charge me. Just a little fee, maybe like 0.02 worth of TAIKO ETH, and click on confirm. Now processing. So let's wait for it to process until the transaction is successful. So currently guys, at the time of making this video, there is a massive congestion on the TAIKO network, so you are going to experience a lot of delay, but mine was okay and simple. So you can see guys, done. You can click on add to wallet, then it's going to add it automatically to your wallet. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's going to add the network for you. Sorry, it's going to add the contract address of the TAIKO for you. Just click add, then it's going to add it to your wallet. So since we already added the contract address, no need for that. So now let me check my wallet. This is how you can do it guys. Simple and very easy to do. Let's see. Alright guys, so this is the 58 TAIKO that I got. Alright guys, so I'd love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal brains to your wallet.